Before we move on, there's one more fundamental notion of programming that we should cover: comments and documentation. When we write code, we're writing in the computer's language. We're translating our understanding of what we want to do into the computer code. However, later on, someone else might need to come along and modify the code that we wrote. Or maybe in the future, we'll need to return and remember how the code actually worked. Because it's written in the computer's language, though, it isn't always easy for us to understand. We have to translate it back into human language. That's where commenting and documentation come in and make a big difference. Comments are a way of explaining alongside our code how it actually works. A comment is essentially some text written into the code with a certain character or label that instructs the computer to ignore this text. It's only there for people to read, so the computer pays no attention to it. When another human comes along to modify the code, though, it gives an explanation that can be understood more easily. In many ways, these comments are notes to future developers. Imagine you were showing your code to someone. What would you say beyond what's there in the code to tell them how it works? That's the kind of explanation you want to put in comments.